Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. And let's begin with headlines. Cryptocurrencies fluctuate, mirroring macroeconomic uncertainty, risk appetite. China's Tencent stopped NFT sales on its platform amid regulatory probe. Bitcoin miner PrimeBlock drops listing plans, ends merger move. Acala stablecoin nears peg after community burns 1.2 billion aUSD minted by hackers. Crypto lender Hodlnaut seeks judicial protection to avoid forced liquidation. CryptoPunk and Meebits holders can now commercialize their NFTs. Eqonex closes crypto exchange citing volatility and low volume. TCS engages Tata Group companies to deploy Metaverse solutions. Brazil brokerage giant XP launches BTC and ETH trading. And let's get into the story in detail. Cryptocurrencies fluctuated, mirroring stock investors' uncertainty ahead of a flurry of results from retailers amid easing crude oil prices, which could ease US inflation and got the Federal Reserve to ease its pace of rate hikes. Bitcoin fluctuated near $24,000. US stock opened mixed with Dow Jones Index trading flat, while the broader market S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq traded lower. US West Texas Intermediate crude fell to $88.62, its lowest level since February 3rd, during the intraday trades, while the Brent crude future slipped even further to $93.98 a barrel. Rating agency Moody's expect global oil prices to fall to almost $70 per barrel by end of 2024, while Barclays sees US West Texas Intermediate averaging $99 for 2022 and next year. Investors will be eyeing FOMC minutes, housing data including housing starts, mortgage applications and building permits, as well as retail sales, industrial production, manufacturing production and year-on-year Red Book data this week. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $23,930, down 0.7% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,880, down 0.6% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded mixed. Chinese internet giant Tencent Holdings Tuesday said it will no longer release digital collectibles on its non-fungible token, that is NFT platform, amid scrutiny from regulators. The Wanhe NFT platform, one of the biggest digital collectible platforms started in August last year, will no longer sell NFTs from Tuesday. Reuters said, citing a statement from Tencent, which also owns WeChat messaging app. Customers who owned NFT, however, will still be able to hold, display or request a refund from the digital assets. Crypto mining company PrimeBlock ended its plans list on the Nasdaq stock exchange after it dropped a merger plan with a special purpose acquisition company, 10x Capital Venture Acquisition. The two companies mutually agreed to terminate a $1.25 billion merger deal and did not cite any reasons for the move. According to a regulatory filing, a SPAC is a company without operation that is formed solely with the intent of acquiring a company and taking it public. Acala's native stablecoin, aUSD, came close to regaining its peg to the US dollar after the Polkadot-based decentralized finance, that is DeFi platform, burned over 1.2 billion aUSD tokens minted by exploiters over the weekend who took advantage of a bug in one of the platform's liquidity pools. Launched earlier this year, aUSD successfully held its soft peg to the US dollar until the hack. After the attack, the price of aUSD plunged from roughly $1.03 per token to $0.009. The peg was nearly regained Tuesday following the token burns, reaching a 24-hour high of $0.97. It is currently trading around $0.01. The Twitter account @Alice_UND_BOB estimated that the damage was $0 to $10 million, likely around 1.6 million USD, with a chance of recovery. Singapore-based crypto lending platform Hodlnaut is seeking judicial management to manage its ongoing liquidity crisis and avoid the forced liquidation of assets in the current bear market. The crypto lender informed its users in a Tuesday announcement that they have applied to the Singapore High Court to be placed under judicial management, which is a form of creditors' protection. The application is yet to be heard by the court, and the firm has given August 19th as the next date for further updates on their judicial management application. If approved, the law would also protect Hodlnaut from legal claims and proceedings temporarily, which the company believes would provide a breathing space to focus our efforts on the recovery plan to rehabilitate the company. Yuga Labs has released its intellectual property licensing agreement for CryptoPunk and Meebits non-fungible token, that is NFT, holders. The agreement grants full commercialization rights to create project and product based on the holder NFTs, putting them on par with IP rights enjoyed by the Bored Ape Yacht Club's holders. Yuga Labs first bought a collection from Lava Labs in March, and CryptoPunk and Meebits holders were awaiting clarity on their holdings. While Yuga Labs owns the IP, it licensed it to the NFT holders. Eqonex Limited, a Nasdaq-listed financial service firm, announced on August 15th that it will close its cryptocurrency exchange operation due to falling trading volume, intense market competition, and low margins. The exchange, which started in 2020, will stop trading at 8 a.m. UTC on August 22nd, and customers will have until September 14th to withdraw their funds. During this time, all withdrawal fees will be waived according to company. Meanwhile, the exchange's native EQO token, which cannot be withdrawn, has immediately ceased trading. Holders will be contacted directly with the detail about their EQO balances. Eqonex hopes that by closing its crypto exchange, it will be more competitive in other areas of its business. Tata Consultancy Services, India's largest software services firm by revenue, is working with Tata Group companies such as Tanishq, Tata Motors and Chroma to deploy Metaverse solutions. Tanishq, the jewelry arm of the Tata Group, recently launched a new collection in the Metaverse where guests would virtually try on bespoke pieces. According to Ashok Maharaj, head TCS XR Lab, the company is also working on a solution to launch a museum metaverse for the Tamil Nadu government. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.